Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really enjoy doing subscription box unboxings and you guys seem to love them as well. Today is my Ipsy Glam bag, the OG, and y'all know I say that every single time I unbox this particular like Ipsy Glam bag variation, and now it's actually called the OG, the original. Ipsy is rolling out with some changes starting this month. The Ipsy Glam bag, the standard one, is now called the Ipsy Original. Our boxy charm is now going to be called the Ipsy Extra, and then the icon box, which comes out seasonally or quarterly, is now going to be called the Ipsy Ultimate. So those are a few changes. This is my paid for bag. I've received this bag since March of 2015. I know. All right, anyways, I'm gonna go in. I'll pop the deets and everything right here, but it's generally roughly $14. We get 5 travel, try me size items and a cosmetics bag. We do get pretty lucky a lot of the times also and get full-size products as well. Whoa, okay, that scared me. I have sensory issues and that just felt very strange at first, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't feel a card in here. Hopefully it's in here. Y'all, that bag, y'all know I never keep my bags, ever. This is freaking adorable. It has a beautiful, kind of looks like amethyst zipper pull, and this is so incredibly soft and squishy and plush. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, my card is inside. We generally get an informative card. You will have a QR code on the back to get deets about your products. And usually your list of products is in here. I wish if they were not going to actually put the products on here, that they would just not waste their time on this. And you guys will see this close to real time. I might put it up this evening. If not, you're going to see it tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. And the Mega Drop Shop is open. So just noting that for you guys. All right. Right on top, I see Aceology Hydro Glow and Deep Hydration Watermelon Eye Mask. Ooh, nice. And we get two sets. That's pretty nice. And Aceology is a pretty expensive brand, so I'm not mad at that at all, you guys. Next up is the Avant Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Anti-Oxidizing Cleansing Gel. That is a mouthful. Avant is another very, very expensive brand. Next up is, ooh, what are you? Daito, I guess, the Nourish and Sleep Overnight Lip Mask. I don't know that there's a shade or anything. I'm not really seeing anything, so I'm not quite sure. I do have enough of these types of products open right now, so I'm not gonna open this just yet. Next up is, ooh, that is pretty. We have the Mo Beauty Liquid Metal Eyeshadow, and I'm also not going to try to look at that. I did not wear my glasses because people like to complain when I wear them. So yeah, you guys get Riri that can't read anything. There we go. Ooh, that looks so pretty. And then last but not least is the Pixie Glowy Lip Oil, Conditioning Lip Oil in minty. Aww. Maybe if it's not aggressively minty, I will use it and like it. I love Pixie products. I am very strange about mint. I don't know why for me personally, and I know a lot of people love mint, like in makeup products, lip products, stuff like that. To me, it's medicinal or it's toothpaste or gum. And I know that's weird. I know it is, okay? But, ooh. That's really nice looking though. The component and everything is nice. I may keep this and try this, and I'm almost positive this is a full size, which of course would be the price of the entirety of our box. I will note, I know not everybody likes to get travel minis like these. I enjoy them. That's the reason I've gotten the bag for over 10 years. It is, in my opinion, a really good way to kind of test the waters with different brands, hair, makeup, skincare, whatever the case may be. Then if you decide you love something, like if you spent $70 on this product, you know, full size and stuff like that, and you hated it, you're out a lot of money. Whereas I've basically paid $2.50, $3-ish for this, and if I love it, then I can find it on sale. I can shop the Mega Drop Shop, things like that. So for me, I like it. Maybe not the best variation this month. I'm gonna give it like a 3.5 or 4 out of 5. Not horrible. And there are a couple products that I will use, and anything that I know that I will not use, I do tend to either pay it forward. I do a ton of giveaways. I have my 7,000 subscriber giveaway also already up on my channel, so good luck if you do enter that. And then I do have a resale group over on my Facebook. I also want to note too, like the actual bag itself feels like super soft and plush, and then like there's purple on the inside. Yeah, I'm gonna give it like a 3.5 or 4. I'm sure this would really appeal to some people. The bag itself though, my girl, I love the actual bag. Yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining Were We Bag Twins. What did you guys think? And what are some of your favorite subscription boxes? I'd love to know. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Don't forget to hype this video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you do like what you see. And don't forget about that 7,000 subscriber giveaway. I hope you'll hop on over to that video and enter the giveaway. Thank you, of course, to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.